Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel, Super Linux. Now, in this video, we're going to show you how to use the microscope eyepieces on this telescope. Okay, this telescope is already having 1.25-inch eyepiece, and this is what it takes. This is Celestron, the famous Celestron AstroMaster 130Q, a very popular one. Okay, I think everyone who uses the knows about astronomy knows about this. Telescopes, very famous amongst amateurs and beginners. Okay, uh, so therefore the professionals know it already. Okay, so what we're gonna do is like use as we said the microscope eyepieces. This is the shaft of the telescope. Okay, this one here. Now I have the converters in my hands, but I'm gonna show you. This is my microscope over there. Okay. Let's see. No, it's not working this way. Yeah, so this is the microscope. Okay, so what you're gonna do is take the eyepieces, both eyepieces. Okay, and what we're going to do also is we're going to use a binoviewer. Okay, with it. Now this binoviewer that I have is there on this white box. Okay, and this white box over here. Okay, here we go to show it. Okay, this uses a 1.25-inch eyepieces, so we have those converters. I have two of them. Okay, see, this is another one. Okay, now the eyepieces that I have are 23 millimeters. Okay, for microscopes. Okay, and you're going to use them, like if you want to use only one, then just simply add this here and it will work, because this is smaller than the standard of 0.965 inch. Okay, 0.965 inches. Okay, so this is a converter from 1.25 inch to 0.9 965, okay, or 956, I forgot. Anyway, so this is 23 millimeters, 0.2 or 0.5, I forgot. So anyway, this is smaller. Okay, so it's just simply we install it over here if you want to use only a single eyepiece like this, and it will work. Okay. But we're going to use the binoviewer in order to use two. So in this video, I know it would be looking to you maybe naive or simple, but it's just for the idea of how if you want to use them, if you are giving you an idea anyway. So if you think that they don't exist, they exist already. Okay. So this is another one. Okay. And here we go. We have two this way. See, with the converters, and this is the binoviewer. This is what allows such a telescope to use to your both eyes. Okay, so it's like you're converting this a huge telescope into a huge binocular. Okay, like just in case you don't know what's a binocular, this is a binocular, but we're going to convert this big one, okay, this big body, to this one. Okay, using this one. Okay, so we're making this one, the one in my hands, similar to it in this here. Okay, both will be looking the same functionality. Okay, so we're going to use both eyes. Okay, so yeah, here it is. I just remove these caps. Okay, it's important to cover them because, as you can see here, this glass. Okay, just in case if you forgot or you had a trouble with some dust or something, you can use this. Okay, so simply just like this. Okay, and even maybe like this in order to make the dust get out. Okay, because if you make it perpendicular this way, they will come back. Okay, or they would come back. Okay, this side also has it. Okay, now this does not work on a reflective telescope like this, a Newtonian telescope like this, just by by inserting it this way. Okay, like that. No. You will have to install the bottle lenses that comes with it. So I will have to uninstall it. The silver part, this one, silver tube. Okay. Let me find it. We have here in this binocular. Let's see. Is those bottle lenses. Okay. Yeah, this is is okay. Like, you see, this is 1.85 times. This is okay. The other one we have here is 3 times. Okay, here there's another one over here. Okay, let me install the 1.85 times, which is almost 2 times. Okay, install it like this. And this video is made for people who have already a microscope. You don't want to buy. This is the real reason also for this video. Okay, the practical reason. Okay, is that you have already a microscope eyepieces. Why don't I use them? Okay, don't want to buy telescope eyepieces of different sizes. Okay, I want to save some money. So this is a way to save you some money. So we have here this. Okay. And as I said, I will show you the what do you say, the 3 times Barlow. Okay, but I don't need to show you it. Like, of course, you will have to turn this. Okay, in order to let it be held firmly. Okay, make sure it's firmly attached to it. So yeah, so here, see, it won't fall. So the other one the same, and make sure also the screws are also fastened. Okay, well screwed, pressing hard on the eyepiece, and simply you can just install it like this. Okay, just to give you an idea, like my feedback, not an idea, my feedback. So because you cannot take, for example, a camera and install it on both eyes, both eyepieces. It doesn't work. Okay, so you have to test on yourself and see for yourself. Okay, now as I said, there's the yeah, this is the 3 times. I just, for the sake of demonstrating the binocular with the, so you have here 3 times. You can see this 3 times. Of course, this will make the magnification and the zooming in stronger. Okay. Let me get it back in place. And I don't think you cannot add filters. You can still add filters to the color filters too. Okay, so I'll show you. This is a color filter, but this is mainly for the moon. It's already daylight, like around sunset now. Okay, so I just can't. Okay, they don't have a meaning right now, so you can just simply add this like this. See? Okay, so this is a moon filter and sky glow. Moon filter. Yeah. See the colors. Changing my color, so okay. So just like any color filter, you can just simply install it. Of course, you don't install it directly under the eyepieces. Those eyepieces also don't take filters, okay? But they don't install it directly under the like the eyepiece, as I said, because it already can pass through this. Okay, I mean the light can pass through directly from this towards these, so it's better to take in there, at the diverging point. Okay, now, oh yeah. Okay, let me see. I will have to remove all the stuff because I'm having the phone to the side of the window. Okay, the sides of the window. I have this holder mount for for telephones or for binoculars, even if you are if you want to install from a car window or whatever, similar to a car window. You know, you have the car window and just install something like this and your phone or a binocular on it. Okay, let's just do this because I want to see the other side there. Okay. Yep, that's enough. And by the way, one of the eyepieces here have a ruler, so it will be awesome to use it. Okay. I'm just trying to use it on the ground. Okay, illustrated. So yeah. It's sweet. That's awesome. Okay, I measure and do whatever I want. Okay. And the view is awesome. Okay, very nice. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, I see. I really advise people, if you want to use this and you have already, I mean, microscope eyepieces, you can use this way. This is cheaper, okay? This is cheaper because those are cheap converters, okay? I know you're asking, okay, I'm gonna buy the converters or the adapters. No problem, buy them. It's a very very convenient for you when you are using a microscope eyepiece. Just in case, maybe you would be in need of an eyepiece. This one, just get it. Okay, so adapters are very nice to have. Okay. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Okay, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.